Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Peace and Plenty training on how to use our branded graphics using an Android device. That could be an LG, a Samsung, and many others. If you are looking for an Apple iPhone tutorial, please feel free to back out of this tutorial and click on iPhone video. All right, so you're going to get an email from us 9 days before your event that says, welcome, Peace and Plenty prep for a week, insert the week that you will be showcasing in. This email will be from info@peaceandplenty.com. If you cannot find your email, use your email search bar and put in info@peaceandplenty.com, and hopefully you'll be able to locate this email. So in this email, you'll notice that there are two PDFs. The first PDF is a checklist. This checklist, you guys, is chock full of amazing information, tips, and tricks, as well as some links to some other video tutorials. So check that out and see everything that it has to offer. The other PDF in there is going to be a written tutorial on how to use our branded graphics template. Feel free to print that out and utilize it if you need to reference this later. So in this email, we're going to have 1 is checklist, 2 is event graphics, and 3 is our event master guide. If you want more information on how our events run, please feel free to click this link down here, the peaceandplenty.com event details. Make sure that you check out the password because that does change from time to time. So let's get into how we do these graphics. So how you use our template is you will need to have a Canva account. Not to worry if you don't have one. We do provide a link for you to be able to create your free account, and that's just here. Click that and go to that address, create your account, pause this video, come back, and we're ready to go. If you already have a Canva account, click this link below and let's get started. So let's click this link, open link. You're going to click use template. The first thing on this template is our use and guidelines for the graphics. We ask that you do not change font style, font color, and text position on the graphic. You may, however, resize your font down. You may decrease the font size if your name or your business name is too long. And we'll show you how to do that in this tutorial. We ask that you use a well-lit selfie or portrait of yourself. Alternatively, if you would like to include a well-lit photo of you and your amazing family, please feel free to do that. We're going to swipe over, and the first thing that we notice is our welcome intro graphic. So here you're going to notice there's these little lock symbols. Those mean that you cannot edit that part of the template. You can edit the name, the business name, and your photo. So we're going to come in here and we're going to put in Amanda. Oops. Oops. Okay. And then we're going to do our business name. I'm going to put Peace and Plenty. Peace and Plenty. Okay. And then here is, you're going to click on this square that says drag and drop image here. You won't be dragging and dropping. Instead, you will be replacing. The drag and drop is for the PC instructions. All right. So we're going to click this button down here that says replace. And if you don't have any photos uploaded, you're just going to click this upload media button right here. You're going to click your device or any other place where you have that photo stored. It should upload to this area right here. We're going to select this photo of Adriana. And that will automatically paste it into our template. But you'll notice that her head is kind of cut off. And what you can do, if you're noticing the same with your photo, is you'll double click your photo and it should allow you to reposition the photo. Click anywhere in the gray outside of the graphic and it should allow you to scroll to the next part, which is our giveaway graphic details. So we're going to click on this. We're going to do only our giveaway details, meaning what people win. In terms of how people win it, include all of that information in your post. We just want them to know what are they going to win. So in this case, I'm just going to put a $25 gift card. You can certainly do whatever your giveaway is in that area. But again, the details pertaining to how they win, just do that in the post itself. So I'm going to put my name down here, and then I'm going to put my business. So we're going to put my business name, Peace and Plenty. Now I promised you that I would show you how to resize. So in this example, I'm going to select the text that I want to resize. And then down here, you'll notice font size. So we're going to decrease it if I need to. Please do not increase the font though, above the 21. All right, so decrease it if you need to, please do not increase it though. All right, so how do we download it? We're all done, we're ready to go. We are gonna click this up here, this up arrow, click that, select download, select PNG. If you want everything to download, you'll just click download from here. If you just want the first two images, your intro and your giveaway, you're gonna select page 2 and page 3, click done and click download. It will download to your device. Then you'll click open file, extract those files, and here you have your two graphics, your giveaway and your welcome intro photo for you to use in our events. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any other questions, please feel free to message or email us.